Lady Bowen Falls on the left of us, that same waterfall that we passed at the start of the trip. 163 metres high. Just downstream from the top of it is where we gather all of our fresh water. Everything that we use on the boats and in the village comes from up there. Just out through a couple of filters, put a UV line for treatment. Straight through the sensors, good to go. Some of it diverted from the turbine generating 24-hour electricity for it as well. We're passing by this one does mean that we're not too far away from arriving back at the wharf. So as we come into the harbour here, I'd just like to take the opportunity to thank you all for joining us today. On behalf of Southern Discovery Centre.